Today is smoothie prep day. 1 cup of cherries. Just put that right on top. It is a great way to start your morning because you're already adding fruits and vegetables and a lot of probiotics, antioxidants. Did you know that you need between 25 to 30 grams of fiber every day? So if all you're getting is eggs and maybe a piece of toast, you're not hitting the mark. But this is a great way to implement all of those things you need between 7 and 9 servings of fruits and vegetables every single day. So it's a great way for you to get started. The wonderful thing about smoothies is that it's almost like it's pre-digested. So when you're putting it in the blender, blends everything up, and so when you are ingesting it, it's so much easier on the digestive system, and it actually forces those nutrients to be absorbed because there's less work to do. So I am prepping them. It's so much easier if it's already in your freezer, ready to go, and in the morning you just grab it, throw it in the blender, add your favorite milk or coconut water, and boom, good to go. So here are 3 of my favorites. This one, the first one I'm gonna start with is cherry, and oh my gosh, it is so delicious. So the first thing you're gonna do is put in 1 cup of cherries and just have those lined across the bag. And then right on top of that, I'm going to put 1 tablespoon of hemp seeds, and then 1 scoop of chocolate protein powder. And I will tell you, there are 2 protein powders that I absolutely love. One of them is Ancient Nutrition. The other one is Dr. Mercola Vegan Protein. And I love it because of the flavor that it adds and also the ingredients. Amazing ingredients, but it adds a nice sweetness without sugar. This one uses the Luohan, probably pronouncing that incorrectly. This one uses the Luohan, and then the Vegan Protein by Dr. Mercola uses monk fruit. I love them both, but it's a big game changer, and your protein that you choose can make or break the flavor of your product. And then the other thing, which you don't have to add this to your bag, but I'm going to, but you wanna make sure that you're careful to put it right on top so that when you freeze it, it sticks to the cherries and not the bag. So I'm just gonna drop in 1 tablespoon of Greek yogurt, and then go ahead and seal your bag. And I put it in this one in particular, I put it in the freezer very carefully, and it'll pop right out, no big deal. But the only other thing that you're gonna need to do when it's time to make this is use 1 cup of coconut water. I'm gonna use coconut water with this. You can use any nut milk that you like, or raw cow's milk, goat's milk, whatever is your preference. And that's it. Drop it in, done. Bag number 2, start with your spinach. And this is a nice tropical smoothie, packed with nutrients. I can't even tell you. So much fibers, antioxidants, iron. We're covering the gamut here. Digestive enzymes, awesome stuff from those pineapples and mangoes, high in vitamin C. So put in 1/4 cup of cucumbers, and then we're gonna do 3/4 cup of pineapple, 1/2 cup of mango, 1/2 tablespoon of hemp seed. And the only reason why I didn't do more is because we are putting a scoop of protein powder in here, so it's gonna have a good bit of protein powder. I take my stuff out and put it in glass, but this is the Dr. Mercola Vegan Protein Powder. This is hard to compete with. It's so good. Just put that right on top, and then when you get up in the morning and you're ready to make your smoothie, I'm gonna use 1 cup of coconut water, dump your bag in, good to go. Smoothie number 2. So for this one, we're gonna start with our spinach, and then our banana. I lost my banana. This is clean. I wiped everything down and sanitized before I started. And then about a half a cup of blueberries or more. I'm not opposed to more. I dropped it. 3/4 cup of strawberries. It's probably really about a half a cup because there's space in there. And then on top, you're gently gonna put your protein powder. I am using the Dr. Mercola vegan vanilla protein. I probably already said that. Vegan protein vanilla. Gives it excellent flavor. I can't say it enough. And then a tablespoon of flaxseed right on top. I love flaxseed. Seal it up, and that is smoothie number 3. Throw it in the freezer. You're ready for several days. You can make 2 at a time. Like I said, they last for up to a month. Easy, easy prep.